So the concept that we're looking at here is equations with variables on both sides. And as you can see, the equation that we're looking at says negative 4x plus 17 equals 2x minus 25. And we're trying to isolate the variable. We're trying to get the variable by itself. And the first step that I would do is I would add 4x to this side, and whatever I do to one side of the equation, I also have to do to the other side of the equation. So if I add 4x over here, I got to add 4x over there. That keeps the equation equal, keeps the equation in balance. So I've got 17 equals 2x plus 4x is 6x minus 25. So as you can see, I now have my variable on the right side of the equation. I no longer have variables on both sides. I just have one variable on one side of the equation. I still need to isolate that variable. I still need to get that variable by itself. So I'm going to do the opposite of negative 25 here. The opposite would be positive 25. Whatever I do to one side, I'm going to want to do to the other side. And negative 25 and positive 25 equals 0. So that leaves me with 6x equals 17 plus 25, that's 42. So that means 6 times something equals 42. 6 times something equals 42. So I've got 6 times something equals 42. Well, as we know, multiplication and division are kind of the opposite operations of each other. So another way of saying this is 42 divided by something equals 6. Okay, 42 divided by something equals 6. So to find out what that something is, I would just go 42 divided by 6 equals that something, which shows me the reason why we divide by 6 here and we divide by 6 here. 6 divided by 6 equals 1. We're left with 1x equals 42 divided by 6 is 7. All right, and when we have 1x equals 7, if we have 1x, we could just write x. So there's our answer, x equals 7. Let me make that a little bit neater, sorry about that. X equals 7. Okay, so those are the basic rules for following the steps for equations with variables on both sides.